Hi friends, in this session we'll start with chapter number 3 electrochemistry DPP. आप सभी के पास इसका PDF अवेलेबल है. So question number 1 on your screen. Which of this following expression correctly represent the equivalent conductance at infinite dilution of Al2SO4 thrice, given that lambda 0 of Al plus 3 and lambda 0 SO4 minus 2 are the equivalent conductance at इनफाइनाइट डाइल्यूशन सॉल्यूशन. कोलराड्स लॉ के हिसाब से ये बनाया गया हुआ है. सो दैट इज लैम्डा 0 ऑफ Al plus 3 प्लस लैम्डा 0 ऑफ SO4 minus 2. दैट इज C कलकत्ता एट योर राइट आंसर. Second question on your screen. The equivalence conduction of M/32 solution of a weak monobasic acid at 8.0 mho centimeter square at infinite dilution is 400 mho centimeter square. The dissociation. So basically first आपको अल्फा ढूंढना है एंड अल्फा के ऊपर से आपको Ka ढूंढना है. So first degree of dissociation alpha is equal to lambda upon lambda infinity. So 8 upon 400, that is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. So now Ka, C alpha square divided by 1 minus alpha. 1 minus alpha is approximately 1 for dilute solution. So C alpha square. So that is 1 upon 32 multiplied by this. And your final answer D Delhi, that is 1.25 into 10 to the power minus 5. Third, aqueous solution of which of this following compound is this best conductor? So जो इजीली पानी के अंदर डिसोशिएट हो जाएगा, that is a best conductor. Acetic acid, that is weak acid. Then HCl, obviously HCl is your right answer. Just because अमोनिया जब पानी के अंदर जाएगा वो NH4OH बनाएगा and glucose or fructose basically. That is completely wrong. That is B Bombay, HCl is your right answer. Next is fourth. The standard EMF of Daniell cell is 1.10. The maximum electrical work, that is work done, delta G is equal to minus NF E0 की फॉर्मूला के अंदर वैल्यू रखिए and you get your answer. So delta G0 is equal to minus NF E0 cell, that is minus 2 into 96,500 multiplied by 1.10, that is given. Multiplication कीजिए, finally you get answer is 212.3 kilojoule. Which of this following reaction are correct cathode during discharging? Theoretical question, बोर्ड में भी बहुत बार पूछा हुआ क्वेश्चन है, गुड सेट में भी पूछा जाता है. आंसर इज डी दिल्ली. Sixth, the molar ionic conductivity of a 2 bivalent electrolytic, that is X raised to 2 plus and Y raised to minus 2 are 57 and 73 respectively. The molar conductivity of, so lambda 0 infinity is equal to 57 plus 73 is equal to 130 SMN centimeter square mole raised to minus 1. Question number 7, कोलराड्स लॉ स्टेटमेंट, स्ट्रेट अवे स्टेटमेंट पूछा हुआ है, दैट इज आप सभी को पता है. 7 डी दिल्ली इज योर राइट आंसर. नेक्स्ट वी मूव ऑन टू दिस 8th one. The standard free energies formation at 298 Kelvin are this and pentane respectively. The value of E0 cell or pentane oxygen fuel cell. हाइड्रोजन ऑक्सीजन फ्यूल सेल की जगह पे पेंटेन ऑक्सीजन फ्यूल सेल पूछा हुआ है. तो सबसे पहले इक्वेशन ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा, ओवरऑल रिएक्शन लिखना पड़ेगा, देन वी हैव टू पुट डेल्टा जी इक्वेशन. So first draw the equation. When pentane is react with H2O, you get 5 CO2 plus 32 H plus 32 electron. At cathode, 8 oxygen plus 32 H plus 32 electron gives 16 H2O. Common जो भी हो cancel out हो जाएगा. So finally overall reaction क्या हो जाएगा? C5 H12 plus 8 O2 gives 5 CO2 plus 6 H2O. So now delta G की वैल्यू, डेल्टा जी के इक्वेशन में रिएक्टेंट प्रोडक्ट सभी की वैल्यूज दी हुई है. पुट ऑल दिस वैल्यू एंड यू कैन गेट योर जी, दैट इज minus 3387,000 joules. From this equation we can find out n is equal to 32. So delta G0 is equal to minus NF E0 cell G0 की वैल्यू पता है, E0 को इक्वेशन का फॉर्म बना लीजिए, N पता है, F is 96,500. सिंप्लीफाई दिस, मल्टीप्लीकेशन एंड डिवाइड कीजिए, एंड फाइनल योर आंसर इज 1.0968. दैट इज ऑप्शन सी इज योर राइट आंसर. 9th, if the E0 cell for a given reaction has a negative value, then which of these following give the correct relationship for the value of delta G0 and K? Once again a theoretical question. आप सभी को पता है delta G0 less than, that is rate of forward reaction, delta G0 greater than rate of backward reaction, delta G is equal to 0, system is in equilibrium. In electrochemistry, delta G0 is equal to minus NF E0. So E0 cell is less than, that is negative. और दूसरा रिलेशनशिप है delta G0 is equal to minus RTL and K equilibrium. So D delta is your right answer. G0 is greater than, K equilibrium is less than. 10th, simple straight away question पूछा है. E0 F plus 2 to Fe plus 2 to Fe का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है, Fe plus 3 से Fe plus 2 का दिया हुआ है. If Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3 and Fe blocks are kept together, then simple, more the negative, more the reduction capacity, more the positive, more the oxidation capacity. So B Bombay is your right answer. 11th, numerical on the based of second law of Faraday. स्टेटमेंट आप सभी की स्क्रीन के ऊपर अवेलेबल है. स्टेटमेंट पढ़िए. So WA by EA is equal to WB by EB, that is 1.6 divided by 8 is equal to weight of AG divided by 108. Molar mass of AG is 108. So cross multiplication, simplify. Your answer is 21.6 gram, that is D Delhi. 12th on your screen, if phi is denoted the reduction potential, then the which is true? अब सभी को E cell का इक्वेशन पता है. E cell is equal to E right side or cathode minus E left hand side means anode. So your answer is A Ahmedabad. E cell is equal to phi right minus phi left. 13, in a fuel cell, methanol is used as a fuel and the oxygen gas is used as an oxidizer of this following reaction. Now आपको efficiency find out करनी है. So how can we find out the efficiency? So first write down the equation, then put it into this delta G formula. Reactant and product के values दिए हुए हैं. Simple summation कीजिए, simplify कीजिए, and your delta G is equal to minus 702.6 kilojoule. Now percentage of efficiency 702 divided by 726, that value is given, multiplied by 100. So that is 97% of efficiency is there. 14th, theoretical question आपकी स्क्रीन के ऊपर अवेलेबल है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एंड राइट हैंड साइड C1 एंड C2 कॉन्सेंट्रेशन सेल है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अलग है, राइट साइड का कॉन्सेंट्रेशन अलग है. सो फाइनल इक्वेशन क्या हो जाएगा? B Bombay, C2 upon C1. Question number 15 on your screen. When the electric current is passed through this acidifying water, 112 ml of hydrogen gas at STP collected at the cathode in 965 seconds. So given data extract कीजिए. कितना टाइम दिया हुआ? 965 सेकेंड. कितना वॉल्यूम ऑफ हाइड्रोजन गैस निकल रहा है? तो 112 ml. तो आपको करंट फाइंड आउट करना है. So we start with 112 ml of H2 at STP, माने 2 into 112 divided by 22,400. सिंप्लीफाई कीजिए इसको. So amount deposit, that is equivalent weight multiplied by I into T divided by 96,500. Simplify कीजिए. Your answer is I is equal to 1 ampere. Question number 16 on your screen. The electric potential of E Zn plus 2 to Zn zinc electrode at 25 degrees Celsius with the aqueous solution of 0.1 molar ZnSO4 is, you are given some values, simplify कीजिए, आप खुद से भी ट्राई कर सकते हो. Your answer is B, Bombay. क्वेश्चन नंबर 17 थोड़ा सा ट्रिकी है, चेक कर लीजिएगा किस हिसाब से सॉल्व करोगे. क्वेश्चन 2 बार पढ़िए. लास्ट लाइन में हिंट दिया हुआ है, इफ द रिडक्शन पोटेंशियल ऑफ Zn is greater than to this, y is greater than to this x, z greater than y greater than x दिया हुआ है, तो क्या होगा. So basically tendency क्या है, z greater than y greater than x. So z reduces and y oxidize, z reduces and x oxidize, and last y reduces and x oxidize. Hence answer A, Ahmedabad is your right answer. Question number 18 on your screen. थ्योरेटिकल क्वेश्चन है, बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन पढ़ लीजिए एंड योर आंसर इज बी, बॉम्बे. 19th, you are given few equation that is standard electrode potential data are useful for the understanding the suitability of an oxidant and reductant titration. Some half reaction cell and the standard potential are given below. So ये सारी equations दी हुई है. Now identify the incorrect statement regarding the quantitative estimations of FeNO3 twice. आपको incorrect statement ढूंढना है, correct statement नहीं ढूंढना है. So A, Ahmedabad is your right answer. So you are given equation 2MnO4 minus plus 16H plus 10Cl minus gives 2Mn plus 2 plus 8H2 plus 5Cl2. The cell corresponding to this reaction, that is E0 cell, is equal to 1.51 minus 1.40. So delta G0 will be this negative, and hence the above reaction is feasible. MnO4 minus will not be oxidized Fe plus 2 ion, but is also Cl minus ion is simultaneously. So basically your answer A is actually incorrect but right answer. Question number 20th, a hypothetical electrochemical cell and the EMF measured is this, तो reaction क्या होगा. So C, Calcutta is your right answer. Question number 21 on your screen, almost same numerical हमारे textbook के अंदर दिया हुआ है, but here in case we'll put it as a X, Y and Z. So the conduction of 0.1 molar KCl is filled with the conductivity of Y, conductance is this, then molar conductance of NaOH will be. Conductivity X is equal to conductance multiplied by cell constant. So cell constant is equal to X by Y. So the conductivity of NaOH, that is X by Y into Z, that is NaOH is equal to X by Y into Z into 1000 divided by 0.1, that is X by Z divided by Y multiplied by 10 to the power 4. So basically B, Bombay is your right answer. 22. On the basis of following E0 values, the oxidation. Theoretical question, simple. C, Calcutta is your right answer. 23. Mathematical expression of law of independent migration of Ostwald's dilution law. Ostwald dilution law हमने पूरा पढ़ा था. So basically 23 is C, Calcutta. 24th graph available है, variance of this electron conductive with strong electrolyte, that is A, Ahmedabad is your right answer. So basically 22 is C, Calcutta, 23 is C, Calcutta, 24 is A, Ahmedabad. 25, one more theoretical question. 25 is D, Delhi. Let's move on to this. 26. You are given an acidic medium MnO2 equation. If the pH of the solution decreases by 1 unit, then the potential will be changed by. So E is equal to E0 minus 0.059 by 2 log of Mn plus 2 divided by H plus raised to 4. So H plus raised to 4 को equation का form बनाना है, just because pH decreases by 1 यूनिट. सो E0 बाकी सारी वैल्यूज रख दीजिए, सिंप्लीफाई कर लीजिए, एंड फाइनली योर आंसर इज 0.118 volt. That is D Delhi is your right answer. 27 on your screen, almost same to this previous one. Statement आपके स्क्रीन के ऊपर है, अच्छे से पढ़ लीजिए, then we'll start the solution. So 27, where n is equal to 4, H plus concentration is 10 to the power minus 3, just because you are given a pH is equal to 3. Applying a Nernst equation, E cell is equal to E0 cell minus 0.059 by n log of Fe plus 2 raised to 2 divided by H plus raised to 4 into PO2. Put all this value जो आपको दी हुई है, simplify कीजिए. log 10 to the power 7 means 7 log base 10, तो 7 multiply by this divided by 4. Simplify, your answer is 1.567 volt. That is D Delhi is your right answer. 28, theoretical question, hydrogen oxygen fuel cell. B Bombay is your right answer. 29, once again a theoretical question. A Ahmedabad is your right answer. 30th, simple equation. A hydrogen gas electrode is made up from dipping a platinum wire in a solution of HCl, pH is equal to 10. Simplify कीजिए, and your final answer is A Ahmedabad, that is 0.59 volt. So this is all about your chapter number 3, electrochemistry DPP. Next session will start with the chapter number 4. Thank you.